This is a project I've been working on, and the reason I'm talking about it is even though for most people who are very, very, very well versed in programming, they know that creating a Mandelbrot in and of itself isn't crazy or anything like that. However, to me, it's important to show off the initial stages of my project so people can see how I develop over time and see that I am a competent person, that I can be dedicated to a fruitful project. And I say fruitful specifically because prior to this video, I have uploaded quite a few updates for my video game, and combined, I have at like 13 views for all of it, despite having like 8 videos. Because suffice it to say, the vast majority of my, the majority of my videos have absolutely no views. And I say all this to say, to the employers, that I do know when when a lost cause is a lost cause, and part of this is being able to evaluate my decision making skills as well. I'm showing this program now because I'm thinking of pivoting my channel, even as early as it is right now, to something else more professional, because it's as much as I want it to be hired as a video game developer or programmer or something, that doesn't seem like it's in the cards right now. And realistically, considering the type of work I've done in the past, which is just generic IT sort of work, this is probably the best move anyway. And I'm also putting this on the channel because I will keep those videos up, even though I plan on releasing an update for October, and after the October update, if there isn't enough attention towards the video game, then that'll be it. I'll cancel the game. People can play the demo, and then that'll be that. Because again, as I'm saying, the purpose of the channel is to show my potential skill off to employers, and employers also have to know that I have good decision making skills. And as it stands, it's not very smart to continue with my video game because I am putting significantly much more effort into it than anything coming out of it. I don't necessarily need money to come out, and again, I don't want to, limit or anything. It's just I'm explaining, my decision process, and it's like as much as I can probably keep on going, working with the game. It's just as it seems right now, with how little support, not even necessarily support, it doesn't even have to be support, just getting no attention at all. It seems like nobody cares, and it does, and I know as somebody, it's just when it comes to allocating resources towards what does and doesn't matter, if nobody cares about my video game, it's just intelligent to just drop the video game and move on to something a bit more fulfilling in my life. And I'm probably going to pivot towards just general programming things in general. I might even go as far as explaining some of the programming behind what I did in my video game and just some programming concepts in general. But it's become very clear right now, and this also isn't the first YouTube channel I have. So it's I like to point out the fact that it's not like I'm just throwing in the towel early or anything. It's just it's clear that with my experience, how much time I've spent on the internet, that I'm most likely probably not going to be generating a very large audience when it comes to my video game developing and personality skills. Therefore, I need to display my skills when it comes to programming, information technology, and other sort of solid, hard stuff that people can need, use, and want, because just speaking intelligently, that seems like what people would really want from me the most. Because again, it doesn't seem like anybody's really interested in my video game, and I'm not really, I'm not trying to be a woe is me sort of thing. It's just I'm being realistic, and if nobody's interested in the game that I'm releasing, then it's just a waste of time and effort for me to continue working on it. So I'm going to start pivoting towards general programming projects. And That's about it. This is the beginning of this project. So I will probably make a playlist with this. When I add the next video, of course, there's no reason to make a playlist when it's just this one video. So if you want to learn a bit more about programming, then hey, I will hopefully make more videos when it comes to programming.